Hello guys, welcome to Jim will Shave. Today we are shaving with Stirling Soap Company Boat Drinks. Tallow based, beef tallow based. Splash will be the matching aftershave splash. Razor for today is the Rockwell 6S on plate R5 with a feather blade on its second use, and a brush is going to be a frank shaving. Okay, you want to see how I do? Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to Jim will Shave. Okay, so I've just wet the whiskers, just basically put the hands in hot water, rubbed it on the whiskers till I felt them start to soften. Okay, so I'll just take the lid off the Boat Drinks. Oh. Remember bubble gum when you were a kid, like, was it bazookas? You used to get a little comic strip inside. That's what this smells like. Bubble gum. I'm just going to wet the brush. I'm actually in the Highlands of Scotland. Well, I'm in Argyll and Bute in the Trossachs National Park. Just into the Highlands of Scotland. And I'm staying at a place called Haverford, not too far from Loch Lomond. Very, very beautiful part of the country. Loch Lomond, Scotland. Hotel actually faces a saltwater loch, Loch Long. So, just dipping the old tips here. Yeah, this is one of Stirling's best scents, this behind Haverford. Really is. Nice and sweet. Nice and sweet. Now, if you're wearing a white t-shirt when using this, probably get a little bit of staining on it. It will wash out, but yeah. I'm just going to rub that in. As you can probably make out, well, the light in here is not great as it happens, but there's like a brown tinge to the lather. Is it lather yet? Because I haven't lathered it, have I? I've just loaded it and wiped it on the old fizzo. Got about 30 hours growth, just to change it a bit, just to change things around. Okay, let's get this brush to the face. Stirling soaps, of course, takes a lot of water. It's good for face lathering. Tallow based, beef tallow based. As you can see, that's gone on rather pasty. Because I like to add most of the water or the soaps on the face to build up the old lather. I'm just gently rubbing the tips over really, gently dipping, gently adding. Look, the weather here, it's terrible. It's the rain has just come down torrentially. Is that a word? Torrentially. Pissed down early. And I actually came through the ceiling of the dining room there while we were all having our dinners. Here's one for you, and for you guys in America. The meal you eat at the end of the day. In southern England, it's called dinner. Northern England, it's called your tea. What do you call it? Dinner, tea? You guys in the States, do you have different words for it? Wherever you are within the USA? Awesome, very smooth. I did actually think that this razor was on R4. Because my Rockwells usually are. Yeah, you heard right. I said my Rockwells. I've got two. Nah. I've got my 24 carat gold plated Rockwell. This blade, the feather, doing a grand job on its second use. And a lot of people, me included, prefer the feathers once they're on the second use. Some people say that the longevity isn't that good. You don't get much usage out of one blade. But again, that's one of those subjective things. It's depends on the razor you're using, depends on your skin, depends on your beard type, of course. Nothing's set in stone, really. It's you can't really say he said, she said. Well, why would she say? But anyway, he said this, he said that. You've got to give things a try for yourself, as I say, because it's all subjective. It's all subjective. And this is working like a charm. You're probably aware, those that have seen me quite regular on the channel, that have been suffering a couple of problems with skin imperfections and shaving spots off, and especially around the chin and all that, but it's all dying down now. And super slick soap. The old Stirling. Probably, in my opinion, again, we all have different opinions, nobody's right, nobody's wrong, but from the USA, I would say Stirling's probably, for me, the best shaving soap that comes out of the USA at the moment. Not that I've tried that many, to be honest. I mean, I know you guys over in the States do have an abundance of products to choose from. Oh, that's nice. Really is. Rockwell 6S and Stirling soap. Can't go wrong at all. Yeah, so tomorrow, got to go to Oban, a small Scottish town called Inveraray. It was an important town at once. It was the seat of the Stuart clan. There's still a castle there. But where am I going? Yeah. So the rain's flying down, the wind's howling, and I've just bought myself a drone for my new travel channel. I want to do some drone shooting. Not shooting drones down. I'll leave that to the Americans over, but and the Ukrainians. But obviously video. Yesterday I passed my theory test, which gave me my permits to fly. So I'm keen to have a bash at that. I'm also a little bit nervous because I've never done it before. And the drone I bought, it doesn't have any sensors for some drones. If it's heading towards a wall or a tree or something like that, it automatically knows the sensors pick it up and it diverts it. But the particular drone I've got, it's the DJI 4K. That doesn't have these sensors, so yeah, it's only a bit nerve-wracking at first. So I'm obviously going to try and fly it in a nice open space, away from power lines, etc. Any guys out there fly drones? Any tips for me? I've been watching a few guys on YouTube. Been very good, very good. As is this shave and this soap. Yeah, my hair's getting really long, lads. Really long. Very nice. And here we go for the penultimate. I've got some nice chilled beers in the fridge on my couch, but the weather's so bad, I'm not going to get them. They can stay there. I'll just drink coffee. What a great combo this is, Feather and Rockwell Success on plate R5. My comfortable workhorse. As you know, I've got many razors, but this, my Rockwell Successes, can't beat them. Best in the world. Super. Ah, little nick there. Get one there as well. Good God. Never mind. It was near perfect. Wouldn't have happened on plate R4, honestly. Right. I think that's just about it, fellas. You know what I'm doing now? Going down with the rinse. I'm back. Really, Jim? Are you? Yeah. Well, that was a good little shave. Yeah, I was saying I was on R5 as opposed to R4. They give me a slight weeper against the grain. Wouldn't have happened on R4, but that was my fault for not checking the razor when I brought it out of the house. So I can only assume for some reason that I had it on R5 last time. Well, yeah, that's why the plate was in it. Dodo. Okay, matching with the shave splash. Here we go. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, nice burn. That's so fruity and sweety and chewing gummy. Makes you know you're alive. Makes you know you're alive. Really cracking. Right, glasses on. Right. The recap. Soap for today was a Stirling soap company Boat Drinks. Gorgeous scent. As he wipes the weep away. Gorgeous scent. Of course, with the matching aftershave splash. Razor today was the wonderful Rockwell 6S. And the brush for today was the Frank Shaving Synthetic. Okay guys, thanks all very much for watching. It's been appreciated. Thanks for all the recent likes, subs. I appreciate you all. Okay guys, catch you in the next one. Take care now.